Hey guys, and today is the unboxing review this Samsung Galaxy A70. So later there is Samsung this A70, and later there is 128 GB. It is an Infinity display, on-screen fingerprint, super fast charging. So it is a 4G Live, but there is for Android. There is 6 GB RAM, memory RAM for Android phone, and well, let's see this. Okay, let's see this boxing this. Open. There is a box here. Here's the case. There is a warranty card, and what you take is warranty card. This Samsung A70 warranty card here, and look at this Samsung. Here is a case. There is a phone. Let's see, this is what's inside the box. There is a Type-C cable. This open. There is the headset. This is a power adapter for Type-C cable. There is a USB charging cable. Here you go. Okay, let's see this turn on your power. This Samsung Galaxy A70. This powered by Android. And what did I say? This Android phone. This and what it is this Android phone here. Let's see this and put it back. Here, put the case. So let's see this A70 on this password. So later, let's see this password here. This starting Android here. And then let's see this this Android settings. Later there is settings. Let's see as sounds, display settings, light and dark. Okay. There is the lock screen, and you take it as a software update, and there is the about the Samsung Galaxy A70 location, privacy, lock screen settings, home screen settings. There you go. Okay, today is this A70 Samsung. And right there is a phone, this 2019 versions. And thanks guys, and see you in the next video.